Ever wondered why Apple Pay seems to play hide-and-seek on Amazon? The truth is, Apple Pay's integration with Amazon is a bit limited, but let's cut through the confusion and show you exactly where you can use it, specifically within the Amazon app on your iPhone or iPad. First, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account in the app. Then, navigate to the Account section, usually found by tapping the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Scroll down until you see your payments and tap on it. This is where you manage all your payment methods. Here, you might see an option to add a payment method if Apple Pay is available for your account and region. €. Keep in mind, it's not universally offered. €. You'll see the Apple Pay logo as one of the choices. Tap it. Your device will prompt you to select the card you want to use with Apple Pay. Choose your preferred card and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity, which might involve using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Now, when you're ready to make a purchase within the app, look for the Buy Now with Apple Pay button on the product page or during checkout. Tapping it will bring up the familiar Apple Pay confirmation screen. Simply authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and you're all set. Your order will be processed using Apple Pay, offering a fast and secure way to shop. And that's how you navigate the sometimes tricky world of using Apple Pay on Amazon.